Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use camera promote on your TCL 408. So to open the promote, you can do this by tapping on these three lines in the left bottom corner and then open the promote. When you tap on this information icon, you will find description of every parameter that you can find on this phone. That's very useful actually. So let me show you how we can adjust these parameters. First, we can adjust ISO level, reset by tapping right here. Then we can find shutter speed. We can set the shutter speed just like that. Next, we can find the exposure compensation. Next one, it's the white balance. Here we can also find focus range, so basically we can manually set up the focus. When you go to the upper bar, we can enable, for example, this grid lines. We can enable the flashlight. The next, it's shutter delay between 3 to 5 or 8 seconds. We can also change camera aspect ratio, and we can also enable tap to capture function. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.